going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com doing a video on this website, Paid Viewpoint, one of my favorite survey apps because you would never be disqualified. You see here, I just took a survey. It was worth $5 on that survey. It didn't take any time. I'm going to do a survey live for you here just to show you that you won't be disqualified, show you how easy the surveys are. All the surveys don't pay $5. The minimum they pay is 10 cents. Like I said, you'll never be disqualified here. So if you see a survey available for you, you will be able to take it. So I'm going to take this survey here that is available for me. I'm just clicking on it, and it's going to take me right into the survey. Now, I'm not sure how many questions it will be, but usually their surveys are, worth the time as far as, the payment that they're asking for. They're not, 50, 60 questions for 5 cents. It's nothing like that. So I'm just going to answer this question and finish the survey real quick. And, really just showing you that, one, you don't have to lie when it comes to these surveys because you won't be disqualified. And then, two, just how easy it is, the amount of questions they're going to ask you. And then after that, you can just see how much you get paid. You don't find out how much you get paid until the survey is over. But, like I said, it's a really cool survey site, especially if you're one of those people that are tired of, attempting surveys and getting disqualified. This is probably the #1 site you should sign up for just because, you're always going to make money with the survey. So just continuing to answer these. Just click on the next here, and you'll see it says almost there here at the bottom. So that means it's probably about over. So just clicking on next, and right there, it's done. I got 30 cents for that survey. You know what I'm saying? Just that simple, just that quick. It was like, 4, maybe 5 questions. I don't even remember. It was really short, though. It says I had another survey here available for me. I can do that one as well, but I really wanted to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to click on this survey, and you see it disappeared. I mean, that's how fast your survey disappears. So if you see a survey available for you, go ahead and take it. I'm going to cash out now. You need a minimum of $5 to cash out. I'm click on the money sign, and these are different options they have as far as cashing out: PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, eBay, CVS, and Target. I like to choose PayPal, so I'm going to cash out now via PayPal, and it cashes out all your money, so you won't leave anything left over in your account. And, just wait for them to pay you. They usually pay me the same day. So you see here, I made a lifetime over $400 with this website. So, I've made good money with it in my time using it. So I'll leave the link to sign up in the description. It is completely free. Never get disqualified for a survey again. Get started with this website. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.